Hello and welcome. Blaine Smitley with Search City SEO here. I'm thinking you found this video because you've typed in a search phrase related to Louisville web design or search engine optimization. Regardless of how you got here, if you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn something that may save you a lot of money, or even help you make some. What I want to share with you today is the single overriding biggest factor that you as a business owner or project manager should focus on before launching your website or web redesign project. And that is the end game. Regardless of what type of site you want or currently have, it's imperative that you have the end game in mind before you start your project. And what's most surprising about the end game is that it's not about building a great looking website. What the end game is all about is generating or increasing leads, calls, customers, and sales. Don't get me wrong, a nice looking website is a big part of the end game. But the sad fact is that the internet landscape is littered with business owners and project managers who started out with the best of intentions, only to end up purchasing great-looking, expensive websites that failed to generate or increase leads, calls, customers, or sales. And it was all because they weren't focused on what it was they really needed. What makes it most sad is that it never had to be that way. Here at Search City, when we get a website call, we focus right then and there on the end game. Our process actually starts with reviewing where a client currently stands in relation to where they need to be. The process includes gauging what it will take to outrank the other companies that are competing for the same key phrases our client needs to be ranking for. Then we design a functionally perfect website with search engine optimization built in from front to back. In addition, we create the necessary properties such as social media, citations, directory listings, relevant backlinks, and maybe even some YouTube videos. As we go along, we sew all of the properties together seamlessly. At the end, this cumulative effort has a large effect on the trust signals that Google and the other search engines see as major ranking factors when determining where the site will be positioned in the search returns. The more trusted a site is, the more likely that it will rank at the top of the first page. In effect, our sites not only look good, but due to focusing the creative process on the end game, it becomes findable for the client's most relevant key phrases. Once they get a visitor on site, the site's further designed to guide the visitor to the logical conclusion of calling the listed phone number or filling out a form to request their product or services. So yeah, there's a lot that has to happen beyond simply building a good-looking website when you're going to be competing in a market the size of Louisville. So give us a call and speak to myself or Jim Turek. Jim and I provide free initial consultations where we take a quick look at what you have going on with your internet marketing efforts. Then afterwards, we let you know our thoughts on how you should move forward. In addition, we schedule an appointment to meet with you so we can further our efforts to get you on the right track to a successful end-game scenario. And if you feel like you'd like to speak to some of our previous clients, that's not a problem. We have their permission for you to call and ask them about their experiences with us and how we affected their end game. So give us a call. We'll talk.